smart laundry is an interesting term. It's using technology, right? It's how do we effectively use technology to achieve what we're trying to achieve, whether it's error reporting to the owners and users of what's going on with their machines to keep machines running properly, whether it's specialized pricing for end users on a vended laundry, whether it's notification that the laundry load is ready if you're in an apartment complex and you're upstairs that your laundry's done to come down. Technology continues to evolve. I've got people that resist it. I got people that embrace it. So are there good and bad with all of it? Yes. The integration side of things sometimes is a little tricky. Yes. But ultimately, what we're trying to do is to have as much information as possible, create flexibility for customers, create, the perfect cycle, the perfect vend price, whatever it is that we're trying to accomplish. Technology is continuing to evolve and it's here to stay. And, we got some customers just like the old fashioned, I just want to push it and start it. But at the end of the day, we all need to embrace it and see how it can help us. How can it make our business better? How can it make it more profitable for all of us? How do we reduce our costs? Whatever it is, technology allows us to get there. If you're talking specifically, whether it's apartments or vended laundries, accept different payment systems, whether you want to come up there and a tap to pay, whether it's you got to insert a chip on it, or you want to have it in a value add system where we're going to put money on a card and then you start the machine with that, whether you walk up with an app pay to start a machine. Those are all things that I think are important to create flexibility and create choice to make it just as easy as possible for your customers to do business with you. No different than us being able to accept credit cards or check or ACH or whatever. However people want to pay us, we'll let them. So I think that's important too, is that our customers have that same flexibility to be able to accept payment from their customers.